Hey everyone, so in our last class we have seen some sleeping lines, standing line, okay, and slanting line, okay, from other side, opposite side slanting line, curve, both the side curve, right? Some zigzag lines, okay. So today we will do making some drawing, okay. So this is our class 2. Okay, so we will try to make some pictures. Okay, let's make a flower. For that you have to make a small circle for the middle part, and then you have to make the petal. Slowly drag. Okay, so this is where you have to make the petal. See, make all the petals and then make it dark. Okay, see, and erase the light strokes. See, now make a stem, drag it down like this. Okay, now make a leaf. In the same way you can make circle. For this you have to make sure that you have to make a practice of your movement of your hands so that you can hold your pencil, right? Holding of pencil is very important whenever you start a drawing. Suppose we have to make a shapes, so first we can make triangle. For that you have to make a slanting line from both the side, right? Then make a sleeping line, right? This is way you have to make a practice, because we know that the practice makes the man perfect, right? So you can make a shading inside. Hold the pencil like this in a sleeping way, then slowly do a shading one. See, see, okay, slowly you have to make a shading and use your finger so that it will be fade in a proper way. See, like this you have to make more shapes. Now we can make a circle. So as I have told you earlier that you have to keep your hand in gentle way and make a circle. Okay, then make it dark. Okay, then do a shading. Hold the pencil proper way. You have to do shading from this side, not from a tip. See, and after do shading from a pencil, now use your pointer finger and just rub it over there. See, and an even structure of shading. By using your finger you can give an even structure of shading. Okay, now what is our next shape? Now we will do square. For square you have to make a standing line, then the sleeping line, and again standing line, right? So here is your square. Make it dark. Do the shading from the diagonally. See, try to hold your pencil so that the shading will not go outside the box, right? It is also important that you have to hold your pencil. This is a control shading, right? That is that you don't have to go outside the box, right? Now what is our next shape? That is a rectangle. Even you can do rectangle, right? Heart shape. See, then make a shading. You can do half shading also. Then use your finger, then rub it. See, yeah. So you can see there is a diagonal shading. Even I done standing shading, sleeping. Okay, and you have to do half shading. Use your finger while you make it, right? So it will show you a even texture of shading, right? Yes. Make a curve from upward also. Then make a standing line. Okay. Then handle of the curve. See, now make it dark. Then I'll show you how to make a shading in this. This is where you also have to make a practice at home, right? Okay, now we will do house, right? The more you practice, you will become more good in drawing, right? This is small things which makes you perfect, right? Now try to make a shading, right? Not only coloring, shading also gives you a beautiful picture. Right? So try at home. See, okay, you have to make a practice of these things. Okay, have a daily practice. So now I can show you how to make a tree, right? Then curve. So this is your tree. Okay, you have to draw small things. Suppose Let's make a pencil. See, so you can draw anything, right? But you have to keep this, that you have to make a daily practice, like spin, right? Waves. Waves help you in you making some water scenery or anything. Okay, some zigzag lines, right? Now mix arrow, right? The more important thing is that you have to control your hand so that you can make a perfect picture. And as I told, not only coloring, shading also gives you a beautiful picture, right? Look, without scale how I did sleeping line, right? So you also have to make a practice of this, making a sleeping line and a standing line, right? So for today's class we have done all this shading, some flower design, the shapes and curves. So if you like the today's video, do like, share and subscribe. So see you in next class. Till then, bye.